I have two Corsair K70 keyboards in front of me. The one on the left is a brand new keyboard that is right out of the box, just as Corsair built it. They come with thin and cheap ABS keycaps, Cherry MX speed silver switches, and some cheap and loose stabilizers. On the right, I have a Corsair K70, but this one has undergone the upgrade keyboards treatment. It has Kailh Pro Burgundy switches that have been lubed, and the stabilizers have been replaced with genuine cherry plate mounted that have been modified, lubed, and padded against bottoming out. The thin ABS plastic keycaps have been replaced with our upgraded PBT keycaps that are thicker and have a better feel. And as you can see, we have also given it a fire engine red paint job. It's impossible for me to show you how they feel, but the difference is night and day. The Kailh Pro is extremely smooth, while the Cherry Speed Silvers are rough and scratchy and have no real weight to them. But let's do a basic sound test of the alpha keys and compare the two. As you can see, the Cherry switches with ABS keycaps has a pingy tone that's a bit annoying. The Kailh Pro Burgundy has a deeper tone, with a spring with increasing weight that softens the bottom of the keystroke, making it feel less harsh. It sounds and feels drastically better. Now let's take a look at the stabilizers. A good stabilizer should be transparent. You should never know it's there. You should not hear it, you should not feel it. It's only there to help balance the longer keys. So let's compare the two and see how they sound. You can instantly hear the rattle on the cheap stabilizers. They are dry, scratchy, and easily bind if you catch the key at a weird angle. The rattle from the stabilizer bars is audible, annoying, and a sign of a problem waiting to happen. The lubed and modified stabilizers are smooth and have a solid tone and glide that let you feel the switch, not the stabilizer. And that is a little sample of what we do at Upgrade Keyboards. We can take a simple gaming keyboard and make it something better for far less than an artisan keyboard would cost. You can have the best of both worlds without needing to sacrifice anything. Upgrade Keyboards can build you a completely custom keyboard, modifying your existing keyboard to better suit your needs, and we also offer repairs for your broken keyboards. We have pre-built and upgradable models in our online store, as well as keyboard parts and supplies for those that like to do it themselves. Whatever your mechanical keyboard needs, we have it at Upgrade Keyboards.